Kazakhstan is one of the most underrated countries in the world. Hidden in its mountains are two of the most beautiful lakes I've ever seen. In this video, I'm traveling from Almaty to the small village of Sati to explore the stunning Kandy and Kolsai lakes. So we booked a 2-day tour from Banana Tours. If anyone wants the number, let me know. So we actually booked from WhatsApp before going to Kazakhstan, and after going there, just before like 1 or 2 days before the tour, we went to their office and paid. And it was including all of this. It was a 2-day tour which includes a couple of canyons as well as stay, food, and everything was included, and it costed 27,000 tenge, which is approximately 4,300 Indian rupees. But since we wanted like 3 people staying in the same room, and also we wanted the washroom that is inside the house, so it was a little bit more. It was 33,000 tenge, and it was approximately 5,300 per person, which included food, transfer, and stay and everything, which was very cheap, and I would highly recommend this tour. We were given the location of the starting point and was told to meet at exactly 9, and we were there just before time, and we saw that there were already a couple of people in the parking area, and the bus is pretty easy to locate there. This is from the point from where a lot of tours actually starts, and the Google Map location, everything was mentioned. It is a pretty big bus. I think at least 50 people could be there, and we were like, for this tour we were around 25 people for this tour. Along with there was also an English and a Russian speaking guide as well. There were also a couple of stops in between if you want to go to the washroom or some food or for convenience store that was available. And finally, after 5.5 hours, we reached the place. Now all of the people in our tour, like 25 people, weren't staying in the same house. So it's like a small village, and there are multiple homestays, and like according to the one that you have booked, they are gonna drop you there. So the one that I'm showing is the one that we stayed. So there were 2 houses. One is for the one that we are staying, that you can see right now. So there, first, upon entering, there is a shower and there is a washroom. And first, in the left hand side, this is the girls dormitory. So it had like 5 or 6 beds, like single beds there. We had a huge dining area. Along with that, there was a kitchen where you could use the microwave, some boiling water, and like couple of things are like convenience are like already available there. And there were 2 bedrooms, and one of them is the one that we were staying. So we were 3 people in total, me, my mom, and brother, and this is the room that you got. And it was a really good homestay. Like, it's so neat and clean. I absolutely loved this one. Also, heating also was available in this whole stay. And the next morning we were served breakfast. So breakfast had some biscuits, some sweets, some pastry, as along with that bread and porridge. And finally we were on our way to the first destination in this old Soviet era car, which was such an enjoyment in itself. So this is the car we came in. It took around 30 minutes for us to reach, and I think हम ही सबसे पहले आए हैं, और हमारे जो ग्रुप से गाइड वो तो अभी तक नहीं है. एंड ये है पार्किंग, और यहाँ से ना ऐसे द हॉर्सेस दैट यू कैन सी राइट देयर, यहाँ पे तो ये 8,000 टेंगे है, और नहीं तो आप यहाँ से गाड़ी लेके भी जा सकते हो. दैट इज़ 500 टेंगे पर पर्सन वन वे, और नहीं तो डायरेक्ट आप यहाँ पे चल के भी जा सकते हो. इट्स अप टू यू. तो हम गाड़ी ले लेंगे, क्योंकि जितना जल्दी जा सके वहाँ पे जाके वी कैन स्पेंड सम टाइम. बाय द वे, दैट्स मी, माय मॉम, माय ब्रदर. आई रियलाइज्ड आई डोंट रियली हैव एनी वीडियो ऑफ 3 of us. क्लाउडी है, सो आई ठीक है, चलो देखते हैं कैसा है. आई होप अभी बारिश नहीं स्टार्ट होने वाला है, बट एनीवे दिस इज़ माई आउटफिट फॉर द डे. ठंडा उतना नहीं है, मतलब एक जैकेट चाहिए, बट इट्स नॉट टू मच. एंड या, दैट्स इट. लेट मी शो यू हाउ द प्लेस इज. So this is the car that's gonna take us till the lake. So we are currently waiting for it. So there were a few people who are going by walking. It will take around 30 minutes, and we are gonna take a car. No one is taking the horse though. It was just a 5-minute road, and now we have to. So now we have to walk around 10 minutes till like नीचे जहाँ पे लेक है वहाँ तक 10 मिनट के लिए हमें अभी चलना होगा, which is around I think 300 meters to the lake. ज़्यादा नहीं है वैसे. And if you want, you can directly walk. I think उसके लिए अलग से रास्ता है. You can also walk if you want. There's a washroom as well here, which is good. And I think यहाँ पे कुछ जूस ये सब भी मिलते हैं. So the road is quite nice though. मतलब यहाँ पे तो गाड़ी भी चल सकता है. And this is the view. आज ना पूरा थोड़ा क्लाउडी है. अभी कितना कलर दिखेगा लेक में, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, now we have some stairs. Almost हल्का यहाँ से दिखाई दे रहा है वहाँ पे. It's like turquoise kind of color. Let's give you a little history. So there was a huge earthquake in 1911 which actually triggered a major limestone landslide, forming a natural dam. Now over the years it was filled by the mountain river water, and thus this Lake Kandy was formed. This lake is 400 meters long, and also it reaches a depth of 30 meters. It is deepest point. And since there are a lot of limestone deposits, the water that you can see right now, this actually maintains this bluish greenish color which looks so stunning. The most unique part of this lake is the sunken forest. The cold water actually helps preserve this tree trunk, and it has a lot of water plants and it looks really unique. The lake is also known for ice skating and also ice diving during the winters. So we are now gonna take a round tour around the lake. So the road is like okay, it's not too bad. We have the guide with us as well, so he is guiding us. And also it started raining, like it's just like a couple of drops, but it's getting cold right now. The time isn't much, it's like what, 10:30 right now, but yeah, it started raining. That's our bad luck, but at least like we could see the turquoise blue water, so I'm happy about it. And रास्ता कुछ ऐसा है, ठीक ठाक ही है, like you can walk. मेरी मम्मी भी जा रही है, so it's fine. लेकिन बारिश ना धीरे धीरे और ज़्यादा स्टार्ट हो रहा है. You can see एंड किसी ने बोला कि ऊपर वाला जो पहाड़ है ना, तो वहाँ पे स्नोइंग स्टार्ट हो गया है, तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे और भी ठंडा है। আমি তো পরেই আছি। দীপ, তোকে খুঁজে পাওয়া সবচেয়ে সোজা, লম্বার মধ্যে হলুদ। It's cold right now. That's the Dutch name. Probably. হ্যাঁ জি, সাইডে আস্তে আস্তে আস্তে। দীপ দীপ দীপ, মাকে ধর, একটু ধর। তুই দৌড়াচ্ছিস কেন? आई एम नॉट श्योर अभी हम कहाँ पे है और कितना दूर है, बट एनी वे लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ आवर ग्रुप इज़ विद अस। हमारा गाइड भी यहाँ पे ही है, साथ में ही है। सो ओके, जहाँ से आई थिंक लेक जहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, वी आर एट अनदर पॉइंट राइट नाउ, लेट मी शो। सो यहाँ से लेक का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है। I took some, but there's other people in there. ওই দিকটা ভালো বলছে। I will. पॉइंट है, सो इफ यू वांट यू कैन हाइक, और नहीं तो आप नॉर्मल भी रुक सकते हो। It's quite cold right now, though we are walking, तो इसीलिए उतना नहीं लग रहा है, एंड प्लस अभी बारिश भी नहीं है, लेकिन पूरा ना एज यू कैन सी पूरा अभी क्लाउडी हो गया है वेदर। अभी नेक्स्ट वाला जो लेक है आफ्टर लंच, वहाँ पे कैसा वेदर है, लेट्स सी। आज सनी रहने से ना और भी अच्छा होता फोटोज़, लाइक स्पेशली दिस फॉल कलर एंड ऑल। अभी भी अच्छा लग रहा है, बट इट हैव बीन मच बेटर। This is a river. While returning, my brother actually came walking till the parking area, and we took the same car that we came in. And in the parking, you can see it was fully raining, it was cloudy, it was so cold, and it also started snowing in top of the hills right here. तो अभी टाइम है अराउंड 1:30। हम पहुंच गए थे यहाँ पे कितना 12:50 तक हम यहाँ पे पहुँच गए थे वापस। तो आके वी हैड अवर लंच, द लंच वाज सो गुड। अभी हमारे पास थोड़ा टाइम है, मतलब 2:30 में वी विल स्टार्ट फॉर कोलसाई लेक, एंड वो यहाँ से 20 मिनट्स है। और अभी जैसे हमने छोटा सा एक वो पुराना वाला सोवियत वाला कार से गए हैं, लेकिन अभी नेक्स्ट कोलसाई लेक जब जाएंगे वी विल टेक अ बिग बस। सो आई थिंक एवरी वन लाइक ऑल लाइक 40 और 45 ऑफ अस विल गो टुगेदर, एंड दैट्स लाइक 20 मिनट्स डिस्टेंस। एंड बस यही है, अभी 1 घंटा ऑलमोस्ट बाकी है। सो वी आर जस्ट थोड़ा सा रेस्ट कर लेते हैं। मुझे लगा था कि शायद वेदर ठीक हो जाएगा, बट इट डजंट लुक लाइक, क्योंकि अभी भी बारिश है। बारिश तो एक बार भी बंद ही नहीं हुआ, बारिश तो हो ही रहा है पूरा, और उसके साथ थोड़ा फॉगी टाइप भी हो गया है, पूरा क्लाउड्स आगे है। लेट्स सी क्या रहता है फॉर द नेक्स्ट ट्रिप। आज जनरली बॉनफायर गेम्स ये सब भी रहता है शाम को। जो वेदर जो है आई डोंट थिंक वो भी होने वाला है। जस्ट ऑल लक। Lunch was absolutely amazing. We had this chicken and rice pulao kind of, and along with that some salad and bread and jam. I don't remember if we had someone vegetarian here or not, most probably no. So everything was non-veg here, and if you're non-vegetarian you will absolutely love this one. I loved the lunch here. And after that, yes, this was our outfit for the day for the next trip. That's me and my mom looking like two penguins. Anyway, this is our homestay. So here the owner stays.
Harak and Chetna, you hear guys? Yep. Okay.
So this is Candy Lake. There are a lot of shops. There's a bus. So if you want, this is how we are looking right now.
Me too.
On the way to Candy Lake. Oh god, my red lips and red hat is just showing up. बहुत बारिश हो रहा है यहाँ पे. मैं एक्चुअली माइक लगाना भूल गई हूँ. एक्चुअली लेट मी ऐड माई माइक. ये है हालत अभी. एज यू कैन सी पूरा बारिश हो रहा है. बहुत बहुत ठंडा है. आई एम वेयरिंग अ स्वेटशर्ट, एक टॉप, अ स्वेटशर्ट, उसके ऊपर एक काइंड ऑफ जैकेट काइंड ऑफ, लेकिन बहुत ठंडा है. एंड यू नो द वर्स्ट पार्ट, लाइक हम सितंबर में मेनली आए थे बिकॉज वी नो दैट ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम, लाइक बेसिकली ड्यूरिंग समर एंड ऑटम, द लेक्स लुक रियली गुड. बट सुबह का तो फिर भी ठीक है, टर्कोस वाला दिख गया था. एंड लाइक दिस कोलसा लेक ऑल्सो, लाइक इट द कलर इज़ ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड लाइक टर्कोइज कलर. बट अभी ना नॉर्मल एक रिवर जैसा लग रहा है. एनीवे, हाँ, एनीवे दैट्स द पार्किंग एट द टॉप. पार्किंग से आपको कार मिल जाएगा. दैट इज़ 500 टेंगे पर पर्सन. दैट इज़ लाइक 2 minutes वॉक. ये जो रास्ता है ना, ऐसा ही है, ये प्रॉपर रोड है. नहीं तो आप चल के भी जा सकते हो. तो गाड़ी आने में बहुत टाइम लग रहा था, तो इसीलिए हम चल के ही जा रहे हैं. एंड मोस्टली लाइक एवरीवन यू कैन सी दे आर जस्ट वॉकिंग, क्योंकि बस कितना 10 मिनट का शायद वॉक होगा. प्लस लाइक इट्स लाइक अ रोड, राइट. आने का टाइम चाहिए तो कार ले लेंगे, नहीं तो. एंड व्यू कुछ ऐसा है. आई डोंट नो हाउ एम आई मेकिंग दिस वीडियो. मेरा हाथ ना पूरा जम गया है. इट्स रियली कोल्ड. So there are actually 3 parts in Kolsai. One is Lower Kolsai, where we are at. So this is the most accessible. Like you can see, there are cafes, guest houses, and also boating is also available. There's also Middle Kolsai Lake, which is roughly around 8-kilometer hike from this Lower Kolsai Lake. And finally, there is Upper Kolsai, which is the highest one at 2,700 meters. That actually needs a very steep. The most accessible and most of the tourists actually we just go to this Lower Kolsai Lake, and this is also just around 10 to 20 kilometers from Kyrgyzstan border. यार लक ही कुछ ऐसा है कि आज ही हम आए हैं. यू नो, पूरे वीक में कुछ भी बारिश नहीं है, बस आज के दिन ही बारिश है. एंड टुडे वाज द प्लेस वी वर सपोज टू विजिट, लाइक द बेस्ट प्लेस इन अलमारी, like the best place in Kazakhstan, which are the lakes. Anyway, this is Kolsai Lake that you can see at the back right now. The color isn't showing turquoise blue because it is cloudy, तो इसीलिए color उतना actual जो color है वो नहीं आ रहा है. Plus it was raining heavily and it's so cold. मतलब मेरा हाथ ना पूरा जम गया है. मतलब ऐसे कैसे करके मैं बस वीडियो बना रही हूँ. मैं अभी जहाँ पे हूँ, ये जो पीछे गाड़ी है, तो यहाँ तक इट विल टेक 500 टेंगे, यहाँ तक आ सकते हो. लेकिन इसके बाद से ये ब्रिज क्रॉस करके इस पहाड़ के ऊपर से जाना होता है. एंड
I think around 40 minutes 45 minutes कुछ है मैं video.
So this is on the way to the other side of the lake, and the road, as you can see, it is like properly maintained. Even if you're coming during rainy season, like while it was raining, it was properly maintained. And there are a lot of small shops like cafes here. So if you are coming anytime, definitely just walk in here. You can stay some time, take some great pictures from this part of the lake. And there is also option for boating. Now it was raining, so the boating was not happening, but in general boating is also available here. And this was the view from the top of the lake, and this view is much better obviously from the main, so definitely go to this place. If you're going, there's also a cafe, you can have some pizza, coffee.
And आज bonfire का भी plan था. I don't know होगा कि नहीं. अगर होगा वो भी मैं दिखा दूँगी. But it's so cold right now. And Kolsai and Candy Lake for today, it's done. Tomorrow we are gonna go to all of the canyons, and I think कल का weather अच्छा रहेगा. So let's see.
And also during the parking as well, there are a lot of food shops, and you can see it was snowing in the top of the mountains as well. So once we came back, it was still raining. It did stop around 7 p.m. though, but the bonfire was cancelled for the day, and this was the dinner for the night, which was again amazing. Looking at the weather next morning, you couldn't have imagined that it was raining so heavily the previous day. So next day, we went to all the canyons that I will show in my next vlog. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Bye.